Hello. All right, I just want to show you some of the features that I've put in. This is an example of one of the apps I've created. I'm going to open the app. There's a nice splash page there. And this app is for a local business. As you see, when you open the app, they ask if you want to ask if you want to register to use, and it's necessary to use a bunch of the functions. I'm just scrolling right now through the various features in the carousel animation. You see it's a nice smooth animation. Clicking custom orders. All right. Um, so this feature allows you to make custom orders. It's a nice custom form. The owner receives that information. There's a social feed, which is actually the Facebook page. It's going to pull on, in this case, it's the Facebook page. They have a business page, and it pulls that information from the page into the app. Okay. So that's nice. So it makes for a nice dynamic content addition. There's the About Us page. All right. And then we're going to move over to Pickup and Bookings. You see that? And here you can schedule a meeting. A nice smooth animation as you schedule a pickup. In our case, we just scheduled a pickup. And it gives you available meeting times. Of course, you have to register before you use that function in this case. So you have to register your app before you get to that function. So then we're going to look at the mobile shop. We have deals of the day. We have all the products that this person sells. We're going to click Black Cake, and then you see that's a nice smooth animation as we add it to the cart, and there our items are. Okay, you can delete them all. All right, and it's a nice smooth animation. All right. So next we're going to go to the photo gallery. In the photo gallery, you see the various albums. All right, you can click one and have access to the photos. It's very easy to fill the various albums in the photo gallery. All right, so if you have some great images that you want to share, that's definitely a feature that you might want to ask for. And then there's the Chat Now feature, which requires you to register before you use it. Okay, let's look at some of the utility features. All right, so you have some of the features listed in the utility. Of course, we're going to click My Account. This takes you directly to your account. Since I have not registered, I have no information there. All right, but it's necessary to register to use some of the features in some cases. There's a nice About Us page, which is also available from the carousel. Right, there's the send. That's if you want to share the app. Right, of course, this is the message function, the SMS. All right, you could send a text message directly to this person, and of course we have the main phone listed, and also the location feature as well. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed the simulation.